What we do is we take a really small, fine powder, we introduce that into a supersonic gas stream, and while we're introducing that powder into the gas stream, it gets taken to a supersonic velocity, exits out the end of a conversion-diversion rocket nozzle, hits the substrate or whatever part you're spraying that onto, and then that will plastically deform and adhere to the material. So what that allows you to do is repair parts, not in the traditional way that you would have to create a melt pool. You're actually using kinetic energy to bond those particles together. Advantages to this process: not introducing any heat into your substrate, allows for repairs of parts without introducing a heat-affected zone. Often when you do a weld repair or a repair that introduces heat into a part, you can risk brittling that part or changing its properties in a way that could catastrophically fail that part or that item that you've sprayed onto. Being able to do that with a cold spray process is a huge advantage, especially when you're in the field. The system being very mobile and very portable allows you to take it into the field, spray your part, often without having to disassemble your equipment. You'll be able to spray that part, dress that part and bolt it back together and get it back in the field quite fast. As opposed to, I guess, in a traditional sense, it would require you to completely disassemble the part, take it to a machine shop, take it off-site, either replace that part or have to remanufacture that whole part.